Hey there, science fans! Let's talk aluminum foil, that shiny, flexible wonder in your kitchen drawer. You probably use it to cover leftovers or wrap a sandwich, but did you know aluminum foil helps build airplanes and spaceships? It's true, this versatile material is everywhere, and it all starts with a fascinating journey from raw materials to the finished product. Get ready to explore the cool process of making aluminum foil. Our journey begins with bauxite, a reddish-brown ore found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Bauxite is rich in aluminum oxide, the key ingredient for making aluminum. Miners extract bauxite from the earth, often using open-pit mining techniques. Large excavators and trucks move tons of earth to reach these valuable deposits. Once the bauxite is mined, it undergoes a process called the Bayer process, to separate the aluminum oxide from the other impurities. Bauxite, which is the primary source of aluminum, is found in various regions around the world. The mining operations involve heavy machinery that extracts the bauxite ore from the earth, often in large open-pit mines. This raw material is then transported to processing plants, where the transformation begins. This involves crushing the bauxite into smaller pieces and mixing it with a hot solution of sodium hydroxide. The crushing process is crucial as it increases the surface area of the bauxite, making it easier for the sodium hydroxide to react with the aluminum oxide. The mixture is heated under pressure, which helps to dissolve the aluminum oxide into the solution, leaving behind the other impurities. This process dissolves the aluminum oxide, leaving behind a reddish residue called red mud. Red mud is a byproduct of the Bayer process and consists of various impurities that were initially present in the bauxite ore. Managing this waste product is a significant environmental challenge, and various methods are being researched to repurpose or safely store red mud. The aluminum oxide solution is then cooled and seeded with crystals, causing the aluminum oxide to precipitate out as a white powder called alumina. This seeding process involves adding small particles of alumina to the solution, which act as nucleation sites for the aluminum oxide to crystallize around. The resulting alumina crystals are then filtered out, washed, and dried to produce the final product. Alumina is the purified form of aluminum oxide and is ready for the next exciting step, turning it into aluminum metal. This white powder is a critical intermediate product in the aluminum production chain. It is transported to smelting facilities where it will undergo electrolysis in a process known as the Hall-Héroult process, ultimately being transformed into the aluminum metal that is used in countless applications, from packaging to aerospace engineering. Now for the really cool part. Alumina is a very stable compound, so we need a powerful technique to extract the aluminum. That's where electrolysis comes in. Electrolysis uses an electric current to drive a chemical reaction, breaking down the alumina and freeing the aluminum. This process happens in giant electrolytic cells, where the alumina is dissolved in a molten bath of cryolite. When electricity flows through the cell, the aluminum ions are attracted to the negative electrode, where they collect as pure aluminum metal. It's like magic, but it's science. Section 5. Rolling into action. The thin sheet transformation. The aluminum produced through electrolysis is cast into large ingots, which are then heated and rolled into thinner and thinner sheets. These rolling mills are massive machines capable of applying tremendous pressure to squeeze the aluminum into the desired thickness. To make aluminum foil, the aluminum sheets are rolled to a thickness of less than 0.2 millimeters. Section 6. Quality control, ensuring strength and shine. Throughout the entire process, from bauxite mining to foil rolling, strict quality control measures are in place to ensure the final product meets the highest standards. The aluminum foil is inspected for any tears, pinholes, or inconsistencies in thickness. It's also tested for its strength, flexibility, and ability to withstand heat and cold. Section 7. Packaging power, from rolls to your home. Once the aluminum foil passes all the quality checks, it's wound onto cardboard or plastic cores to create the familiar rolls we see in stores. These rolls are then packaged in protective boxes or dispensers to keep the foil clean and damage-free during shipping and storage. Section 8. Fun foil facts beyond the kitchen. Aluminum foil is a staple in most kitchens, but its uses extend far beyond wrapping leftovers or lining baking trays. Now for some fun facts. Aluminum foil is a marvel of modern manufacturing. produced in massive quantities to meet a variety of needs. The process of creating aluminum foil involves rolling large slabs of aluminum until they are just a few millimeters thick. Did you know that aluminum foil is 100% recyclable? This means that every piece of aluminum foil you use can be melted down and reformed into new products, reducing waste and conserving resources. It can be recycled over and over again without losing any of its quality. This makes aluminum one of the most sustainable materials available. The recycling process involves melting down the used aluminum and casting it into new shapes, ready to be used again. That means the foil you use today could be reborn as a soda can, a bicycle frame, or even another roll of aluminum foil. The versatility of aluminum is truly remarkable, allowing it to be used in a wide range of products. Aluminum foil is also an excellent conductor of heat and electricity. This property makes it invaluable in various industries including electronics, where it is used to create circuits and other components. That's why it's used in electronics, insulation, and even in the production of solar panels. In insulation, aluminum foil helps to reflect heat, keeping homes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. In solar panels, it helps to conduct electricity efficiently. It's also incredibly lightweight and corrosion-resistant, making it ideal for use in airplanes, cars, and even spacecraft. The aerospace industry relies on aluminum for its strength and lightweight, which helps to improve fuel efficiency and performance. In the automotive industry, aluminum parts are used to reduce the overall weight of vehicles, leading to better fuel economy and lower emissions. And in space exploration, aluminum's durability and resistance to corrosion make it a perfect material for building spacecraft that can withstand the harsh conditions of outer space. Section 9. Aluminum's environmental impact, a balancing act. While aluminum foil offers numerous benefits, it's essential to acknowledge its environmental impact. Mining bauxite can lead to deforestation and habitat loss, if not done responsibly. The production of aluminum also requires a significant amount of energy, which can contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. However, aluminum's recyclability helps mitigate these impacts. Recycling aluminum requires only a fraction of the energy needed to produce it from raw materials. By choosing recycled aluminum products and recycling our used foil, we can minimize the environmental footprint of this versatile material. Section 10. Conclusion, a material for the modern world. From the mines to our kitchens, aluminum foil has a fascinating journey that begins deep within the earth. Extracted through extensive mining operations, this versatile material undergoes a series of complex processes to transform into the shiny, flexible sheets we use every day. The journey of aluminum foil is a testament to human ingenuity and the power of science. From the raw bauxite ore, it is refined into alumina and then smelted into pure aluminum. This aluminum is cast into ingots which are then rolled into thin sheets, ready for a multitude of uses. This seemingly simple material plays a vital role in our daily lives, from preserving our food by keeping it fresh and safe from contaminants, to being an essential tool in cooking and baking. Its ability to withstand high temperatures makes it indispensable in the kitchen. Beyond the kitchen, aluminum foil is crucial in building our homes and vehicles. Its lightweight yet strong properties make it ideal for construction and automotive industries, where it is used in everything from insulation to car parts. As we continue to innovate and develop new technologies, the applications of aluminum foil expand even further. In high-tech manufacturing facilities, engineers are constantly finding new ways to utilize this material in cutting-edge technologies. Aluminum foil will undoubtedly continue to play a crucial role in shaping our world. Its versatility and efficiency make it a key component in the development of future technologies, from renewable energy solutions to advanced electronics. So next time you reach for that shiny roll of foil, remember that it is not just a simple kitchen accessory. It is a product of advanced science and engineering, a material that has traveled a long way to become an integral part of our modern lives. Take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get there, from the depths of the earth to your hands, and the countless ways it enhances our daily existence.